We offer long-term stable quality. When it comes to holding magnets for wind energy industry, WZ Magnetics is able to provide the whole range products with proved superior quality, competitive price, and on-time delivery. Our commitment to our customers is supported by complete range of up-to-date equipment from lathe machining, punching, drilling, grinding to injection molding, vulcanization that covers each production step for holding magnets. Programmable automatic assembly lines that ensures preciseness of each assembly work. Professional inspection equipment that carries out tests on each quality point that customer concerns. We know that safety is always the top priority, especially when it comes to holding application. So, for every piece of our magnet, we have left certain safety margin in holding force. ISO 9001 certified manufacturing and quality system. Experienced employees that handled their jobs with great expertise and care. Every year, we produce million pieces of holding magnets for world-famous wind energy companies and their centralized supply provider. They get high efficiency and saved cost with our quick response, stable price level, and short lead time. All our holding magnets for wind energy are made of strong, rare earth magnets, and they are used in so many places, such as wire mounting, tube mounting, ladder mounting. Whether it is a temporary mounting or permanent mounting, using our magnets can make the work quite easy. You don't need to drill or weld, just put the magnet where you want, and then the job is done. Besides, our magnets have outstanding characteristics, especially for onshore-offshore use. Our holding magnets have passed C5 standard salt spray test. The magnet energy won't have any loss in 30 years. Great holding force, shear force performance. For even severe situations, we have a stainless steel version for better corrosion resistance. Most of our customers do not need to inspect our holding magnets because we have done it for them with our full range of quality control equipment and high sense of responsibility. Our customers can totally rely on us.